So now we talked a little bit about the computer in the classroom, and you're probably familiar with using a computer, but a lot of faculty are probably, if you're new to MSB, are not familiar with our touchscreen system. So on the very left of the setup in the classroom is what we call our touchscreen panel, and this will actually activate when you physically touch the screen. So if you physically come in and touch this, and what this system operates is this system operates the projectors within the room, the light level, and the screens. It's also the system where you pick the input to send to the projectors, meaning you can send the classroom PC, which will send a signal to the projectors, or if you bring your own laptop, and we can assist with that as well if you would like assist. After you've touched the touchscreen, the system will automatically turn on, and you'll come to a screen that looks like this. Now on the left side, you're going to see sources, and it's going to list a bunch of options, including laptop, classroom PC, Blu-ray. So the main computer in the classroom, if it's what you're using to teach from, is the source you want to send to your projectors, which means you would select classroom PC. Now what this does is, at this point, you still haven't sent the signal to the projectors, but at the top of the screen you see two buttons, one that says send to left projector and one that says send to right. So if you have a PowerPoint presentation on the classroom PC that you want to send to both projectors, you now need to come up and select both of these buttons. This will now send any information you have on the PC in the classroom to the projectors, and it will display on the large screens within the classroom. In a similar manner, if you had a document on the DocCam, which we'll talk about next, you would select that source. So you have two items you need to do here. You need to select the source, and that's where your presentation is currently housed, and then you need to send it to the projectors, and we did that at the top. And you'll notice the projectors are warming up. This does take a few minutes, so we recommend that you come in and do this a few minutes before class starts. Another button we want to highlight is the room control button on the right. This actually allows you to control the light level in the classroom. So if you were projecting a movie or a short video on the screen, you could lower the lights by picking a certain level of lights, which will then lower the lights up or down. One other option, if you don't want to display immediately what's on your screen on the computer up on the projector screens, you can video mute, it's called, which will darken the screens. And then when you're ready to display again, you can just unmute, and that will display what's on your PC.